Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video I'm going to demonstrate changing borders in Excel. And I have, let's see, first here we're connecting to my Excel active object. And this is, watch the video on that. I have that. It's, I think, the first video I made around Excel. But this returns a pointer in this Excel variable. And then on these next three lines, I'm applying to a given range. So these are, these are the ranges I'm referencing, and I'm applying different weights and line styles. What was interesting when I was doing this, I thought something was wrong with my function, and you could still say it is. I could definitely do it better. However, some of the weights are not compatible with the line styles, and I'll demonstrate what I mean by that here in a second. So let's go ahead and we'll just run the first one here. So I'm going to reload it and launch, and there we just put around A1 to C1 with a weight of 3, which is medium, and a line style of 1, which is solid. And let's change it to a dash. So there's a dash. Now let's actually do dash dot. Let's see what that does. Okay, now let me show this. Let me change this to a 4 for weight. And notice the dash dot goes away, but it's a solid, right? That it confused me until I came in here and went to C control 1 brings up this cell. I noticed this style. Notice how the style and the weight are. You can just see in here when you're picking things that they're in the same area, and I think that is why it's doing what it's doing. I can't pick here. I can pick the different. This still is style, but I think it has to do with the weight as well. So I was moving these things around, and it was acting funny. The other thing I did, which actually now that I look at it, I think I got to reverse it back, is let's move this up above, because and rerun it. Now see, that's going to be, it's going to use the line as the second one it applies, right? So it's using the second thing, not the first one, because it runs it first and does the weight, and then it does a line style. But because the line style is the dash dot, I think that's what we had it on right here. Oh, so yeah, dash dot. That's what it kind of overwrites what the weight was, which does not make any sense to me, but okay. Great Excel. The other thing is I built in this. I wanted to have it where if the line, let's change this to the line is a 0, and let's make this I don't think that matters what it is, no, because it's second. And this, that's what this line here is doing. So if the line is set to 0, it's going to change line to equal this minus 4, 1, 4, 2, and that is what will clear, when I run this, it will clear the shading, borders. And here we can just show, we can do other ranges, right? So I'll call it a couple times there, and that ran it across different ones. That was the same line style. Let's put this to a 1, and we'll make that a 3. And let's go ahead and add this back to a 2. Oh, 2. And that's it. So it's a quick, easy way. Again, you could go in and set these all to 0 if you were trying to get rid of the borders, and that will take that. So just make sure you have the functions for getting the handle, and here now I've shortened my function for getting the handle greatly, and so it's just a lot simpler. But that's it. Thanks.